Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be explaining the basic structure of an HTML document. The basic structure of an HTML document explains few essential elements that provide a solid foundation in creating web pages. Now this is what it looks like. Okay, so I'll be explaining then. The first line there, which is doc type HTML, it is a document type declaration. Now, this line tells the browser that the version of HTML is HTML5, which is the latest version of HTML. And we also have the HTML elements here. This is the root element for every other element. The HTML element is like a container for every other element. And this also specifies the language to use in the HTML contents. And in this case, EN represents English. Now, the head element contains it gives some meta information. It contains some meta information. Just like we have here, UTF-8. UTF-8 represents character encoding. And then the head also holds some other information like the title. This is active on your tab on your browser. And then some links to other resources. And it's also owned your CSS style sheets if you're linking externally. So the head title contains some meta information, while the body is the displayable part of the HTML documents. So everything you're going to be doing would be between your body tab. So this is what a basic HTML document should look like. This is what it should look like. All right. In the next video, I'll be talking about HTML, edit, paragraphs, and a few other tags. I'll see you in the next video.